In this video, I'll show you some enhancements to the RBAC roles, and specifically the custom RBAC roles that are implemented in Nerdio Manager. So if we go to the RBAC roles and we go to definitions, when we add a new role definition, you'll see that there is several different modules of Nerdio Manager, and you can configure what type of access the user will have who is assigned this particular role definition and what level of access they'll have to that module. So for most of these, the roles are read-only or full access. So for example, if you want the user to be able to manage images and be able to read only the scripted actions and be able to manage Azure files and perhaps be able to read the dashboards, this could be your definition. The new features come under this Workspaces module. The Workspaces module is where all of the AVD host pools and session hosts are managed. And there are several different levels of access that are available. You have read-only, which will give users assigned this role and a particular workspace scope, read-only access to see everything within that workspace. Full access obviously gives them the ability to read and modify. And then there are three types of management roles that you can have. For example, you can say manage hosts only. And what manage hosts will do is it will allow users to only manage the session hosts, but have read-only access to everything else. So not be able to make changes to host pool level, things like auto scaling, deployment settings, properties, all of those things will be visible, but they're not going to be modifiable by the user who has the manage hosts only role. They will also not be able to assign new users and groups to this host pool. There is another role called manage assignments. This role allows a user to assign and unassign security groups and individual users to a particular host pool. And then there is also an option to manage sessions. Managing sessions allows users to view the sessions, disconnect or log off users, do shadowing and remote control of the user sessions, sending user sessions a message, etc. So these could be used in conjunction or by themselves. So for instance, if you wanted someone to only be able to manage hosts, but not change host pool assignments or any host pool properties, this would be the option you give them. If you wanted someone to only manage user assignments, but not modify the hosts, restart hosts, delete hosts, reimage hosts, all of those things you want to lock out, then you would give them only manage assignments or really any combination of these three permissions. Hope you found this useful, and I will talk to you in the next video.